In this video, we're going to be discussing the most common type of accident, auto accidents and motorcycle accidents. And I'm going to go into a couple of very important points that you should be aware of immediately after you're involved in an accident. One of the most common personal injury cases we take on are car accidents and or motorcycle accidents. Now the key is to know exactly what to do immediately after an accident. Immediately after an accident, if you're seriously injured and you're physically or mentally incapable, you're not going to be able to do much at the scene. However, if and when you do arrive at a hospital and you have the opportunity to either call the loved one, I would encourage you to do so immediately and then have that loved one or a friend or family member contact an attorney immediately. The key here is to preserve evidence, and the evidence will disappear quickly. If you're physically capable and mentally capable at the accident scene, it's important that you secure certain types of evidence. One obviously is witnesses. I can't stress how important it is to get people's names, telephone numbers, and addresses while you're at the scene. I can give you a very common example. I have a lot of people that come into my office. They were going through on a green light. The other party runs a red light. They pull over. They exchange insurance information. The other party apologizes and admits fault. There are witnesses present, but my clients do not ask for their contact information, and then when the other party goes to their insurance, they claim that my client ran the red light. In that case, there's nothing I can do, not absent without any witnesses. So first and foremost, speak to people, ask them their names and telephone numbers, ask them if they saw the incident. Second most important thing is take out your cell phone, and almost everybody has one, and take photographs. Take photographs of the property damage, especially where the cars come to a resting point. Take property damage of where the impact occurred. A lot of times there'll be a debris field, a broken glass, and in some cases paint transfer on the car. Take those photographs. And very important is if there are skid marks, take photographs of the skid marks. I can't stress how many times we go out to the scene, a few weeks later, it's rained, the skid marks are gone, and that prevents us from being able to conduct speed analysis. A lot of times, from looking at the skid marks on the ground, we can determine how fast the vehicles were traveling, and we can determine where the point of impact was. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button below. Subscribe to our channel, and if you have a friend or a loved one that's also interested or has a potential case, please have them contact us with the information provided below.